Hello everyone, I am Pranay Singh and I have joined Sanwariya's mentorship program on 17 July. I have almost completed 1 month and I have done I've been brushed up with all the basics of trading in this 1 month. So I'll talk about is this a scam or a fraud? Then I'll say no, because I am a live example here in front of you. I can vouch for him that he's a great guy, he's a great mentor. If you really want to learn trading, then he's a great mentor to you. Even I was a bit worried when I thought of taking this mentorship, that is it a scam or not. Then I made my own research. I did my own research on LinkedIn and all, and I found him pretty amazing that many people got benefited by him. So I thought, why not to take a try, and why not to learn this, because I personally wanted to learn this skill. So I went ahead, I took that step, and I enrolled into this mentorship program. For any doubt or query, he is always personally available to you. Whenever you just put a text to him, whenever he is free, he'll call you, he'll video call you, or he'll generally voice message you that, see Pranay, this can happen in the market. And he's always there for you. If he's busy at that time, in that moment, whenever he is free, he'll just call you back or text you back and answer all your doubts and queries. Coming on to my recommendation, I'll strongly recommend Sanwariya if you really want to learn trading. Then whatever he has promised, I believe he has delivered. He has showed us the way, has taught us the way, has showed us the system which works, and it is on us who has to follow. Yes, the mentorship program is worth time and money if you are really interested in trading. If you are really interested in trading, you really want to learn it, I think I would recommend Sanwariya totally. Coming on to the time which is required to recover this money which you have invested, it depends on person to person, it depends on market to market, and it depends on your trade too. So personally, coming on to me, I'll be saying maybe 3 to 4 months, maybe, because it depends on the market too. So maybe 3 to 4 months, and the frequency of trade which you're taking. So for me, it is 3 to 4 months. Probably, luckily, hopefully, that in 3 to 4 months I'll recover this money. And overall rating which I'll give is always 9.5, because I always think there is always chance of improvement. And 9.5 because you will learn a lot from him. He has become a personal buddy to me, to be honest, and he has taught me a lot values in life, in personal as well as professional life. Apart from these trading skills, he has taught me a system which really works, and you just have to follow. So thank you very much. This is Pranay Singh signing off.